As the first light of dawn breaks over the tranquil Mandvi Sea, the shore awakens with life. Mandvi's pristine beaches not only offer stunning vistas, but are home to some fascinating creatures. Today, we're following a group of unique coastal birds, the Ruddy Turnstones. Turnstones are small waders found along coastlines worldwide. Their name comes from their unique foraging behavior, as they use their beaks to turn over stones, shells, and seaweed in search of food. So where else can you find these industrious little birds? The Ruddy Turnstone is a true world traveler, found across coastal areas in the Americas, Europe, Africa, Asia, and Australasia. They breed in the high Arctic during the summer and then migrate south to coastal regions around the globe for the winter. The global population of turnstones is estimated to be over 1 million birds. Despite their wide distribution, they are a species we must keep an eye on. The IUCN currently lists them as a species of least concern, meaning they're not immediately threatened. But like many shorebirds, turnstones face increasing challenges from habitat loss due to coastal development and climate change. Turnstones are truly cosmopolitan, with different populations spread across the world's coastlines. In North America, they can be found from Canada down to the southern tip of South America. In Europe, they're commonly seen along the coasts of the UK, the Netherlands, and Scandinavia, while in Asia, they frequent shorelines in India, China, and Japan. For such small birds, turnstones can live quite long lives. The oldest recorded Ruddy Turnstone lived to be over 19 years old, which is impressive for a species that migrates such long distances. Did you know there are 2 species of turnstones? The Ruddy Turnstone, which we're watching here, is the most widespread, but there's also the black turnstone, which is native to the Pacific coast of North America. Their mottled brown, black and white feathers provide excellent camouflage against the rocky and sandy shores they inhabit. This helps them avoid predators while foraging and during rest. Mandvi, being one of the oldest ports in the world, provides the perfect backdrop for the adaptable turnstones. While these birds prefer rocky shores and coastal areas, they can thrive in a wide range of habitats, including muddy estuaries, freshwater lakes, and even bustling urban environments like harbors and ancient ports, just like Mandvi. One of the most fascinating aspects of turnstones is their migration. These tiny birds travel vast distances, with some flying up to 10,000 kilometers between their Arctic breeding grounds and their wintering sites. This makes them one of the longest distance migratory birds in the world. Don't be fooled by their size. Turnstones are known for being aggressive when defending their feeding areas. They will chase away larger birds, like gulls, that try to steal their food. Here at Mandvi, they dig through the reddish sands, searching for hidden treasures. But they're not just scavengers. Turnstones have strong beaks designed for prying open shells and flipping stones to find insects, small crustaceans, and marine worms. Of course, where there's food, there's competition. Other birds might try to join the feast, but the turnstones stand their ground, protecting their hard-earned meals from potential freeloaders. From the Arctic tundra to the warm shores of India, turnstones are relentless in their pursuit of survival. These tough little birds are a reminder of the wonders of nature that can be found on the shores of the world, and especially here at Mandvi. So, what's your plan the next time you visit a sea beach? Will you stick to the usual routine of restaurant hopping, or are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of birding? Remember, every famous beach in India offers incredible opportunities to witness the unique beauty of coastal birds.